sorry. 850 strong, celebrating not just our culture, but celebrating as well the Filipino faith. For those who are not familiar, the Sinulog movement, the 2 steps forward, 1 step back, is more than just a dance step. I believe it represents the fact that as we move on in life, we are still grounded, we are still, I wouldn't say held back, but we are still grounded, we still look back to where we are, our roots, our culture, our heritage. And I'm very proud to see this Filipino community here in Edmonton and in Olds and all the Karatig Bayan and all the cities next to Edmonton celebrate with each other, coming together. And it, like Jessa has mentioned earlier, no, it's not a small feat. Getting 850 people with all the volunteers, all the dancers, and later on I understand that we will be seeing a lot of them. It's not an easy feat. So coming together to celebrate our history and our culture, I thank you and I'm very proud of that. And in that light, I would like to mention that the Philippine Consulate General is very much in touch with the Filipino community, especially here in Edmonton. I love coming back to Edmonton. Every now and then, I love coming to Edmonton because I feel the Filipino spirit here. And later on in the summer, we will be coming back for our consular outreach. So we will have around 2 or 3 this year here in Edmonton. And I would also like to mention, especially for the dual citizens, we do have our overseas voters registration going on in time for our 2028 national elections. So for the dual citizens, for the Filipino citizens in the room, please don't forget to register to enable you to choose our new leaders come 2028. Alright? So as I've mentioned, the Philippine Consulate General will be visiting Edmonton during the summer to conduct our consular outreach mission. But of course, tonight is not for that. Tonight is for the Sinulog. Tonight is for for the infant child Jesus. So I guess there's nothing more else for me to say, but Viva Pit Senyor and mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, Jessica. Thank you so much.
That feels like I'm supposed to go out onto the IOR celebration here. And all the work that goes into this. I had a whole long speech I was going to read, but it's 9:30 at night, and I don't think you want to hear a long political speech. So I'll offer this, which is I just want to say, Jessa came out very brief. Where did I lose? Where's Jessa again? There you are, Jessa. I think we want to, for me, you think about this turnout, what you've got going on today, the celebration that you've been having. This is a testament to the people who are involved in putting on these events. You have so many people who have been volunteering their time, who are contributing to making these opportunities for community to come together. So I know I look to Jessa, I look to everyone here who has been volunteering their time, and I know you've probably thanked them throughout the night, but if you could, one more time, thank all of the volunteers, Jessa and the entire organization team. Let's give them a big round of applause, a big cheer for everything they've been doing here in the city. It's really incredible to see. And I just want to say, as I have the great privilege now of serving as your mayor. I've been a city councilor prior to this for 12 years and had an opportunity to connect with many of you over those years. And I hope what I want to make sure you know is that as your next mayor here, I want to make sure that you can reach out to me, connect with me anytime. If you have concerns, if you have things you want to see in the city, please don't hesitate to reach out to share your ideas. And make sure that we spend the next 4 years creating some wonderful things going on in the city. The city of Edmonton has been bringing hundreds of thousands of people here over the last couple of years. The city is exploding in population, and many might be from here in this room that I've had a chance to meet over the last number of years. And so I want to make sure we continue to celebrate what makes Edmonton such an incredible city, which is showcasing the culture, showcasing our diversity, making sure everyone knows that we have so much to offer. So over the next 4 years, let's continue to work together and celebrate our city. I want to say again a huge thank you to the organizers, to the team. Thank you for having me. And I think I should stop it there because we're in the party part of the night, so you don't need to hear me anymore. Let's enjoy the celebration. Have a great night, everyone. Take care.
Thank you so much, Mayor Andrew Knapp, for being with us tonight and for that inspiring words. It is truly a privilege to have you here.
Who is not able to be here, but we also really want to recognize all his efforts and dedication to Visman. But here with us are two very important people. If we can please give them a round of applause, Erlinda Armas and Merlin Gonzalez.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some
Sa simbahan kini sandali lang ay ako'y ako'y tumit. Sayang nagipad sa pagkit sa sunod. Ang sibong parampit, anak sa santuyo. Ihala na kinabuhi ang nalipay ang ginoo. Sinulo, sa itong puso. Ka naman sa ulo. Sinulo, sa itong puso. Ka naman sa ulo. Sinulo. Sinasalamat kini, sinasalamat kini, Senyor sa simbahan kini. Kakalang katawan, kung kalimutan, aking namamalang sa pagpasaulo, ikaw sa pagsaulo, sa mga pasunayan, mag-iipas sa pagtambon, iibot ng panahon. Sinulo, sa itong puso, tanang magsaulo. Sinulo, sa itong puso, tanang magsaulo. Sinulo, sa kukuhan kini, sinasa pasakitong kini. Sinulo, sinulo. Sa
atong mga buutan nga tigpaila, Vina and Nuniel, atong pinasidunggan nga bisita, Philippine Consulate in Alberta and Saskatchewan, Honorable Emma Sarni, founders, mga kahigalaan, maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. It has been a true honor and blessing to serve and witness how our community comes alive with faith, devotion, and joy. This celebration is a proof that we come something beautiful like this. This year's Sinulog has been a journey of faith, culture, and unity, and it would not have been possible kung wala kamo. To our sponsors, daghan kayong salamat sa inyong pagbahin sa inyong mga grasya sa atong mga devotees. Sa atong officiating priest last night, Father Nilo and Father Jack, daghang salamat. Ug usab sa atong social media partner, Mr. Benje Lindo. Saludo kay Kunino Jim. Sa atong mga performers, volunteers, and the entire Vismin community, daghang salamat sa inyong pagpaambit sa inyong mga talento ug sa way puas nga suporta nga inyong gihatag. Every smile, every dance, every prayer we offered together has made this celebration truly memorable. Thank you also to KRD Consulting Group through Roman with his lovely wife Diana and with Rupert for the big help as we navigate our goal towards the development of our Filipino community. Daghan kayong salamat sa Voices of Praise Choirs, sa inyong pagpaambit sa inyong matahong nga symphony. Ang matag nota o tingog ni pahinumdong kanato sa gugma sa Dios, naghatag og kalinaw sa kasing-kasing o nagpalig-on sa atong pagtuo. Kung sa di pa na ako tapuson ang akong pakigpulong karong gabi una, tuguti ako nga magpasalamat sa entire team nga pulos kugihan ug naghagong gayud nga mahimong malampuson ang atong pasundayag karong gabi una nga pinanguluhan sa atong presidente nga aktibo, malalamon ug maanyag Jessa ako Pushma. Gihangyo si Jessa sa pagbarog. Mana si Jessa ha, tanawa ninyo ay kalumte. Guwapa no. Ug usab ang atong very own Ticketmaster family, ang pamilya ni Mark ug Cora Kaputulan sa impressive na ticketing system sa kasaysayan sa Vismin. Sa atong production dance choreographer, the dance floor princess, Joanne T. Sayo, aka Miss JT, ug ni Merson Agosto. Daghang salamat sa inyong dili masukod nga pasensya. And to the events team for working tirelessly, devoting your time and talent na mahimong successful atong event. Bahala nagtakiang na strict sa OCS kung bati gihapon. Sa atong creative na dance instructor nga wagyo'y paglumad, ang talentong murag naa na ni siya doctorate sa iyang ngayang gikuptan, nagkaanam o dugay nagkalantip ang huna-huna o ang iyang imahinasyon. Our very own Odell. And to my 2 AM ladies, nga ni unong yun nato sa tanang buhaton nga walay giatrasan o ang akong pinalangga nga upungan ng Cebu Heritage Foundation volunteers o ang atong Tenfold Entertainment Solutions o si DJ Dogo. Dako kayo ang akong dungog sa Vismin community to work with you all. As we close Sinulog 2026, may we carry with us the joy and devotion we shared tonight. Let us continue to live out the true spirit of Sinulog: faith, unity, and service. Vismin community, padayon ta sa pagtuo o paghiusa. From my heart to yours, daghang salamat sa gugma o suporta. Till we dance again. Viva Bensenyo!